Hey guys, welcome to you in my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to share today plan with all of my subscriber. And this channel is basically Shopify focus. So I'm going to open my door right now. Okay, so as I have started keep focus on my content creation journey, like every day I have to keep consistency. I have to, yeah. So here is the current looks of my room. I just start working right now, and I'll share my today plan. So here is my camera stand, or I use this uh, camera stand for video making. So just make it ready, and let me keep everything in a good position. So first I will just going to start switch on of my uh, electricity. Okay, then going to power on is my PC. Yes, it has been started, and now sit down. This is the here's the good pink color fan, okay? And here's my webcam. So let's start. Okay. So now I'm fully ready to make this content. So what is my today plan? My plan today for today, especially making a new Shopify store, starting design a Shopify store. That will be. Let me share the details. That will be. One second. I'm going to record my screen so that you can understand very very clearly what actually I'm going to do for today, because I want to make my every content better than better, every day improve. So now I will give the voice using my free fine microphone. So let's start. Also here is the webcam. So just trying to, yes, perfect. And I can make another things. Yes. Okay, so I'm fully ready, and and now I give the voice from this microphone or using this microphone. So let's start. What is my actual plan? So video has been started recording my screen, and now you can see everything what I'm going to do today. So basically today I'm going to do, where is my folder, Shopify tutorials. Next, and for today I'm going to, one second, I have to connect to my internet. That is very bad. One second. So I connect my internet using the phone hotspot, because there is no good broadband internet connection in my area. Though here we can connect, but its speed very slow. So this is another reason, and I hopefully connect Starlink very soon. Then this problem will be fixed. So কি আব্বু, ইহান তো না আব্বু ভিডিও বানাইতেছি। আচ্ছা এখানে রাখো ভিডিও বানাইতে সাইডও ওকে 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 যাও ওকে ওকে এটাই বলে ওকে so so here you can see that I have already selected the theme. We are actually going to make a body spray or fragrance store. You see, we're going to make this one in my note, also another one. Actually I started to making specific niche base. Let me show you in my screen. Now it's very clear, I hope. Yeah, so actually I want to make Shopify store niche base, like specific business type. And here another design you can see. If I hide var, then you can see very nicely. This is basically gardening type product shop. This also I see its name garden. It also looks good. Gardening type product equipment or relevant things. So today I want to finish one store. This is my like challenge with me, so that I can show you how you can save your money using my ready code snippet, using my ready store, and how to save money investing on Shopify theme that is very expensive on the Shopify theme directory. So this is my today plan. I hope you understand everything, and from today I'm very serious than previous day to focused on my YouTube channel and make video regularly. So I hope all of you support me, as I am working for a long time on this YouTube channel and continuously giving the video. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and stay connected with me to show what actually going to share with you. So hopefully you will get the details video how to make a professional Shopify store with free theme using premium ready code snippet without any premium theme. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.